Welcome to Shaun Vlog, and we are at the PARKROYAL Collection Marina Bay. We're going to show you around the public areas of the hotel and give you a room tour. Then we'll follow up at the end of the video with a review of our stay here. Tell you what we think, what we liked and what we didn't like. So let's have a look. So this is good morning. The main check-in area. Right behind the check-in area is the lift.
Nice sculpture.
Nice sculptures over there. So behind the check-in area, we need to go up to the first floor, or the second floor, to check out what's next in this hotel.
Level 1, 4, 5, 6.
Yes. This is what is in the hotel. So the next level is actually level 4, because in between you have the in-house garden, like planty area on both sides here, and on this side too. It's just all the greenery inside with the piped-in birds. There's some tables there for the restaurant. So we're going to head this way. I think that's VIP check-in in front, and really nice atrium.
That takes you to the
Ballroom
ballroom.
is up there. So to the left you've got
Peppermint.
the Peppermint restaurant,
Portman's bar.
and then to
To
the
the right.
you've got Portman's bar. We'll tell you what we thought of this bar later on. Behind Portman's bar is Ruth's Chris Steakhouse, which is open in the evening. And then there are a couple of shops as well.
There's the bird cage I was on about. It's got a little bird in.
Do they?
Yeah.
Let's
Yeah,
come back
look
and
at
check those out.
There's another one.
Oh, there's one. Oh, there's little.
One back there. I
said
told you.
I said piped-in birds. I
not,
was
it's
wrong.
it's actually
They're
real
real
birds.
birds.
They bring them, I think they bring them out every day.
Hello. And we've got all the whiskies at Portman's bar. Right there.
And you've got the Taylors there, Maharaja.
And then you've got the Taylors. Check out the other side.
Oh, there's a linkway to Marina Square there as well. Children's play area.
Children's play area. There is children in there, so we'll not have a look. But there's the children's play area.
Toilets.
Toilets. And then you've got another restaurant, which is currently closed. We've moved up to the 5th floor, and in this direction is Peach Blossoms over there. We're not going to get too close, but that's Peach Blossoms, which is a restaurant. And then you've got the ballroom over there. But we're going to spin all the way this way and head towards the pool area.
There's a spin bike studio this way as well. If you want to do some exercise,
Here's the gym.
that's the gym. There's a lot of people in
Again,
there.
a lot of people in there, so I'm not going to go in and disturb anyone.
But it looks a decent sized
there
gym.
is the gym.
Good equipment. There's your
And
salon.
there's the spa and the salon. Spinning studio. We'll look down on the bar from here. If we head this way, we've got the gym studio, so there's classes and things that you can do in this hotel. And artwork along the walls there. We're going to head out here, which is where the pool, the skyline bar, and the green space is. So once we navigated our way out of there, there is a ramp up to the pool. The pool looks refreshing,
Inviting.
inviting. So you've got, to the right, cabanas, comfy, what look like comfy pool chairs, and then pool chairs on this side.
There's pool chairs up, there's chairs up that way as well.
Towels. And the Skyline bar, which is open till 10 p.m. It's not open yet though. 11 a.m. till 10 p.m. So there's the Skyline bar. There's a children's pool over there in the corner with children in it, so I'm not going to film too closely. And you've got a green space with all the tables
What is this?
for the Skyline bar.
Oh, this is the club lounge for people who have
This is the
Who've
club
got-
lounge,
who've got the higher up rooms, the more expensive rooms.
which we don't have.
Yeah.
And then as we come round here, we can get a view.
That's a big ass fan, by the way. That's your big ass fan.
A big fan.
It says big ass fan on it.
Does it? And then if we come this way, I'll get the wheelchair through, and I'll come and show you the view. The view of the theatre and the Marina Bay. Let's take you to the room tour. We have come up from the lobby. Good view from the lobby. Come up here with all that green park and stuff. To the room. And we're in 1334, which is a Marina Bay King room. So as you come in, you've got light switches and privacy switches and a luggage storage area. Let me shut this door. Then on the left, we have straight away a toilet and a bidet. Regular toilet, regular bidet, nothing fancy going on here. Behind the door, we have a bath with a handheld shower handle thing, towels, singular robe, and there is an Appel's Apothecary, what's this? Hand and body wash. And as you come around in the room, you've got a singular sink, the bin underneath, Apothecary soap, filtered water, and then the amenities. Let's see what amenities we've got here. So we've got skin lotion, toothpaste, vanity kit, 2 of them, sanitary kit, razor and shaving cream, and then the toothbrushes. That's what we've got in there. Nice little plant, tissues, not sure what that is. Shaving mirror, big mirror, and then a shower with the toiletries on the wall. It's got a hand-held one and a rain shower as well. It's quite a small shower cubicle really, but it is what it is. Let's head out. So this is the wardrobe where the other robe is hiding. It's like a see-through wardrobe. So there's the robe, there's a steamer for your clothes, an umbrella, an ironing board, slippers, shoe buffer, shoe horn, shoe shine stuff, what's this called? Tumble dryer, iron. Is there anything in here? So that's the bag for your laundry, otherwise it's just storage drawers, and then an empty storage drawer in that one. Let's close these. Check out the next door. So there is a shelf, a safe, and then we've got mini bar and so we've got tea bags and stuff there, and then mini bar stuff, which obviously we won't use. And then there's the fridge, mini bar, which again, we're probably not going to use anything in there, but it's there if you do want it. So you come here, more luggage storage space, massive mirror again, and then we've got a coffee machine. So I have coffees, decaf, regular, glasses, lots of space under there and a chair, big TV. There's a speaker over here. I think this is a speaker.
It's a light.
It's a light.
I was right. I said too it was a light. You told me it was a speaker.
I thought it was a speaker. It's a light. Sockets on the wall. Regular 3-pin bin with recycling. And as we spin round the room here, Caroline's, it's not a wheelchair accessible room, but the wheelchair can fit in here fine. Aircon unit, which is up there. And then bedside table. Notepad and pen. Socket. There is a USB switch here, and then you've got these as well as a reading light.
Same on this side.
Got the bed. They only change the bedding on alternate days. Place the cube on the bed if you'd like them to be changed daily. We're only staying here for one night, so that doesn't apply to us. This is the bed. It looks, the quilt at least looks soft. We're going to do a review, pros and cons at the end. We'll tell you how soft or comfortable the bed actually is along with the pillows. But it looks very nice. We've got another socket, switches, and USB on this side as well. Table and chairs, as modelled by my darling wife, Caroline. You are beautiful, babe.
Would you like to go outside?
Yes, because what's hidden behind here is the view. Now, Oh, there's a door on both sides. I didn't. No, there isn't. That's
No,
not
there
a door.
isn't.
The door is over here, behind this chair, which is kind of awkward to get to. But let's. And the curtain. Right. Okay. So the curtain. Oh, it goes all the way. Right. Let's have a look. That was a challenge. Come out here onto the balcony. Just a little balcony, no seats or anything like that. And look at that view. It's a terrible view down there, isn't it? Tennis courts, they're part of the hotel, shared with the Pan Pacific. Look at that view, that's rubbish. Wait a minute. That's the view. Marina Bay Sands, Marina Bay area, Central Business District. A tilt. There we've got the Fullerton Bay. If I move over here, we just get a peek there of Gardens by the Bay. That's the Mandarin Oriental Hotel, which would probably afford the best view of the area sticking out. And you've also got Singapore Flyer sticking through. And to the left here, you've got the Pan Pacific, which is where we stayed. I'll put a link to that video down below if you want to see how I stay there and that hotel tour. But yeah, that's the view. That's why you pay for this room. It's time for the review of the Park Royal Collection, Marina Bay. We've come to a bar close by. We can see the hotel behind the camera. Got a few cons for this hotel. Yeah? Mm-hmm. Not the most accessibly friendly. We didn't book an accessible room, but it was really tight.
It was a last minute thing, and I don't think there was one available.
Yeah, but you can't get an accessible room in the Marina Bay View category. So the one thing that this hotel room and hotel has going for it is the views of Marina Bay. But given that it's the 6th hotel we've stayed in, and we've stayed in the Pan Pacific, which is the same group, it's across the road, you can use the facilities of both when you stay in either one, like the pool and so on. If you want a bit more luxury, a bit more better service, a bit better exclusivity, if you want it to be quieter, more upmarket, more upscale, if you want a classy bar, stay in the Pan Pacific. Don't stay in the Park Royal. Park
Which
Royal
is
meant to be
literally
like,
just there as well.
like you can walk between them. There's a bridge. The Park Royal is meant to be like, I think it's meant to be like a notch above the Pan Pacific. It's newer. It's a smaller hotel, but it felt far busier. It was really noisy, and the service was lacking. It just they just didn't seem particularly bothered. When we checked in, that was decent. They give us an extended checkout, but after that it was just downhill.
And they allowed us to check in at the concierge steps rather than the reception.
Rather than going up, yeah.
Because you have to go up to reception.
I'd say the bed was pretty comfortable, pretty soft. The pillows were decent. The aircon was good. The view was fantastic in terms of pros. Other points of the room, the bathroom was far too small. The shower, you can't, never mind swinging a cat, you can't swing yourself in there. Although the water pressure and temperature was good.
Yeah, and you said that on top the shower cubicle.
There's a wall.
Shower cubicle
in
wall.
the cubicle, and standing in the shower, I could see the top of the wall because it didn't go all the way to the ceiling. It was not tiled on the top. Like, finish that off. It's like there are slightly taller people. Finish that off so they can see it. It was awful. So yes, so that's the room. The pool. Really liked the pool area actually.
Yeah.
The pool was nice. The pool was busy. Was fun.
Pool bed was lovely.
Pool bed was lovely and comfortable, although burning hot.
And it was big.
Yeah, wear flip-flops or something on your feet walking around that pool because you cannot walk on it. It's just too hot. It's burning.
Pool drinks were fine.
Pool drinks, well, they were good. They weren't just fine. They were good. We didn't use any of the restaurants, so we can't give you a review on those. So the pool bar was good. The internal bar, Portman's, was not good.
Sadly lacking.
Completely lacking in service. It took us ages for me to get somebody. I had to go up to the bar and get someone. There was just nobody coming around. Then it took ages to get the drinks, and it was just lacking. Like there was no one to introduce you to the bar, which may sound like, oh, you can go to the bar yourself. You're not meant to in these places. It's meant to be table service, and we can compare to the Pan Pacific. Similar sized bar, far less staff working in the bar. And the service was brilliant.
And they're in the same chain of hotels.
Yeah. We'd stay there again. Like, it wasn't inherently bad. But when you're paying that's the most expensive hotel we've paid for this trip for a night, and it's our least favourite.
You forgot one thing about the bathroom. The bathroom's just really dated.
I wouldn't say it's dated.
You know,
I'd say
I thought it was dated.
I would say it's a cheap bathroom, given the impression that it's more expensive than it is. I wouldn't say it was dated. Like, it's really cheap plastic flush toilets and light switches and things, like not like there's marble there, but there's really cheap plastic stuff as well. It's like obviously cheap. We'd stay there again. Like, it's not somewhere we wouldn't stay again, but when you're paying that much and you can compare to their sister property and the other properties that we've stayed at where we paid less and they were far superior, and it's meant to be a classy place, you kind of gotta call it out. And it's not being snobby or snoddy or anything like that. That's just like being factual how it is. It's a nice hotel. Like, the aesthetics of it, the lobby area, like how it looks is really good. It's just got a lot of issues, really.
It's got nice touches with the birds and the atriums and things like that.
So yeah, PARKROYAL Collection, Marina Bay. That's the final hotel review of our Asia trip, the 6th one. We'll see you when we do another hotel review and another trip. So keep making memories.
Catch you later.